Does your supplier help reduce warranties, or do they provide lip service to high warranty issues? Let's talk about transporting products to the point of purchase. In-transit damage is nothing new, but our solution certainly eliminates this headache. Product damage is a huge deal for a multitude of reasons, and we've addressed them head-on. Damaged inventory can mean the difference between saying yes or no to a repair. How many times have you opened a box and have been disappointed in the appearance or the apparent damage caused during delivery? Many times, damage caused by improper packaging isn't so apparent. It can present issues after repair. A great example of how Plews and Edelmann reduces costs and concerns can be seen in our rack and pinion packaging. We've gone to great lengths to make sure our product is securely packaged and shows up exactly as intended, a perfect part ready for installation. If I challenged you to look at your inventory, would you say your heavier and more bulky items are in pristine condition? In many cases they aren't, and it creates a perception that ends up costing you time, money, and goodwill. Our internally vented racks eliminate certain fail modes. First, on the boot, and next on the line itself that often gets damaged. By removing these potential failures, we effectively reduce potential warranty and customer badwill. Where applicable, we also install pulleys, reservoirs, and pipes on most of our pumps so the technician doesn't risk putting damaged components back on the vehicle. We also add bushings, hardware, and other components where needed to get the job done right the first time. In a sentence, we build confidence in every part. But we don't stop there. We've surveyed our installer base and worked with our engineering team to address known industry concerns and fixes. Take our Honda pumps, for example. The telltale noises of a worn-out pump usually prompts the repair or replacement of the pump, but often the hose O-ring gets overlooked. These O-rings are a common failure point in the power steering system and must be replaced. Plews and Edelmann includes these components and offers information on making sure the repair is done correctly and completely. On our late model GM rack, we include the valve, as this is a commonly overlooked and necessary part of the repair. This rack is in numerous TSBs and oftentimes requires replacement. Unfortunately, technicians replace the rack not noticing the internal wear on the valve, so this 8-hour job comes back to the shop a second time for another lengthy repair. Plews and Edelmann make sure it's done correctly the first time with a brand new valve, not renewed or salvaged. These are just a few examples of the detail that goes into each part Plews and Edelmann supplies. We not only identify the failures and complaints in the field, but we do something about it. We provide the most effective solution for the repair. So whether it's adding components, upgrading materials, packaging, we address the industry concerns and supply confidence in every part. Thanks for listening.